Hello and thanks for watching ADM's Grain Market Update. My name is Chris Colley and today we're going to be talking about the spring weather and how this is affecting barley plantings and importantly the market. Following wet conditions throughout the autumn drilling window, which resulted in winter wheat acreage decreasing by approximately 13%, the market was expecting a rebound in spring barley production. The AHDB recently re-released their early bird survey a few weeks ago and increased the spring barley area expectation by over 100,000 hectares versus their previous estimate to 881,000 hectares. This area, if realised, would likely yield a UK production figure approaching 8 million tonnes, which would be comfortably over the long-term average, and this number would support a significant exportable surplus from the UK in excess of 1.5 million tonnes. However, the wet weather that we saw throughout Q4 last year has continued into 2024, unfortunately, and we've seen continued rains to date. Official UK Met Office data gives cumulative Jan-Feb rainfall 52% higher year on year and 15% higher than the long-term average. This prolonged wet weather has seriously hampered the spring drilling campaign in the UK to date, and along with a large uptake of the government-backed SFI scheme, makes it highly likely that the actual area will be well inside the official estimates. Planting progress has picked up now with some more favourable weather over the last week or so, which has allowed drilling to take place only on the lighter, better drained soils. We estimate that approaching 40% of the expected UK area has been drilled so far. However, the heavier land types need a prolonged dry spell in order to be in the right condition to plant, and the forecast is once again looking mixed until middle of April. We've seen a similar picture so far in France this seeding period, and we've now managed to plant 80 to 90% over there, although a good month after the optimum drilling date, which is likely to bring a yield penalty. Over the last few weeks, markets have reacted to this news in a knee-jerk fashion as traders and consumers take cover against the risk of lower acreage. We've seen malting barley flat prices and premiums increase by approximately £30 a tonne, and the discount that feed barley trades versus wheat has narrowed by around £10 a tonne in order to try and ration demand. The next few weeks of weather will be crucial for barley prices, with the question over just what barley is going to be planted hanging over the market. One thing is for sure, if the weather does remain poor, then barley markets could have further upside in the short term. And that's all from me for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out using the details at the end of this video. Thank you.